The guy's innovation at its best. Oh God.
Community bounty on Trelawny. I went down there yesterday and they were badly damaged. So I decided I have to do something for them out of my little.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, day just a light because it's about minutes to 6 now, 5:30 minutes to 6, and we're heading up to my family's home in the hills, and we're gonna try to get some more food for people in Trelawny because my husband's family live down there, and guys, it's devastating. So we want to try to see what we can get from in the hills, like banana, breadfruit, anything of substance that can be used. We already did some care packages already, and you know, I'm gonna showcase those. So we're gonna head up now and just keeping our fingers crossed because you know the landslide, they come down and everything. I think they make a little track to go over, but hopefully we'll make it safe. So stay tuned for that. So guys, this is the section that we couldn't pass, or no vehicle couldn't pass. So they cleaned it up a bit. It's a bit mucky now, but you know, we can pass through. So that is it, guys. Guys, we finally made it up now, so we're gonna take the journey over to see how far we can meet them with the stuff. But if we don't meet them, we're gonna just go across the road. I don't know if even these slippers that I have on is, you know, the right thing to wear, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. So we're heading over now. So we reached down this same section of the road, guys, where we came before. You remember we had to go all the way up the hill there. So we're gonna see how far we can go again. Guys, so last time we had to go all the way up there and come right over. So this is even much better than going all the way up the hill. Wow, the guy's innovation at its best. Oh God, look at this guy. Mommy, both of us can pass over there. Yeah. That's my mom coming.
One hand.
No, pass each other.
Yes.
Good morning. Innovation at its best. Oh. Hi, mommy.
Good morning, guys. And draw it across. So that it can swing and walk across now. Yeah, you don't want it on the ground. Let me have to press out the road. No, darling. Because you're anticipating that stone up there.
Come down.
Had to go all the way up at that rock stone and come down. But this is what they did. So we can walk across it. Auntie, them body now? Right.
So guys, you know that no water is at my family's home because all the pipes and everything just wash away. So they had to use this spring to wash the clothes, and they cook out here the other day, and this is what it is. And they still have to give thanks because even though they don't have water at home, they can come at the spring right here and do what they have to do and catch water to bathe as well. I think they bathe out here and everything. But all in all, we are resilient and we will make it do. So this is what it is, guys, after Melissa. Let me tell you guys, despite the storm, you have to find a way through. You can't just, you know, you just have to fight it. So guys, this is currently what's going on at my home. My husband doing some care packages. And who are you doing these for?
For the people in my community, Bounty and Trelawny. I went down there yesterday and they were badly damaged. So I decided I have to do something for them out of my little, and my two boss, they have contributed towards it. Small thing, but you gotta do it.
Alright, that's good.
Put a probably like that. No, put a probably this. It's put that together. I think the soup never finished before, you know. But go on still.
My husband is actually packaging some rice as well to take down to Trelawny. So over there we have some cream crackers, and they already packaged some tissues and stuff and soap. Then you have snack over there and water. Guys, we're almost done packaging the stuff. We're just packaging some oil now and some tin food. We already packaged the snacks over there, and the rice and the flour is already in the bag, so we're moving along quite nicely. So guys, we're on to bagging out the water now. So maybe a household can get like 2 or 3. So we're almost done.
1,
Hmm?
2.
This is what? 6 or 8, yeah. What is it? What is it? What? Huh?
So yes guys, we're getting everything in because they have a long journey going to Palma today to give out these care packages. So I'm just wishing them a safe travel down, and I know everybody will be thankful.
This is the Falmouth Market. See what I'm saying? Market flat out, dog.